Hello and welcome to another update video about Polkadot. Polkadot is retracing a little bit. People get a bit worried. Now I just want to reassure you that at the moment nothing unusual is happening. There's a bit of profit taking going on. And if we draw the fib levels from the last major pump basically, then we can see that we actually have not even, you can see if I make that a bit larger, we have not even come down to the 0.382 Fibonacci retracement level at $47. So that is where we could retrace down to potentially, or to that support level here, that previous horizontal support at $48. If I zoom out, oops, we can see that that is nothing unusual. And I tell you why we are doing that at the moment. So in my last video, I think it was yesterday evening UK time, I said that we could see a bit of retracement or sideways move before we continue to move up. That was based on the fact that the RSI on the 4-hour was really overbought. We are now back below 70. So at some point we can continue our way to the upside because we have broken that important resistance level of $48. And actually down here we've broken various resistance levels yesterday. So from there, this is purely a retest in my view. We already retested here yesterday, that candle here. Before we then try to break out further, but I think the RSI was just too high, and then we have been retracing a little bit, and that is not unusual because I did say in my previous video the RSI was overbought on the 4-hour, and if we move here to the left, I probably have to, no, let me just make that a bit larger, and if we go on the daily, then you can see exactly why we are retracing back to that level. So I'll make that like that. And then if we scroll all the way to the left, there you can see it. I think it is that previous high here, that previous high where we are retracing back to. We touched it back here, we touched it back here. That is our horizontal support line now, $48. We are currently at $48.50 as we speak, and I think we want to get back to that level, maybe retest it here on the daily with a daily candle. Now the good sign is yesterday, well, we made a new all-time high, didn't we? The candle touched a new level, $51 US, 51.59 actually here on the Kraken exchange, and we can see, yeah, that we actually retraced back to pretty much exactly $50 at the end of the day. Now the new candle opened, the new candle is going down a little bit, pretty much what happened, what started yesterday before the daily candle closed. Now we're retracing, maybe we even get down to that $48 level. But again, that is nothing unusual. Even if we drop a little bit more, maybe to $47, that wouldn't be a massive problem. What we want to stay is, we want to stay above that ascending trend line as well here, yeah. So as you know, we had this channel within which we've been trading since, well, since August, maybe even earlier. You've got that ascending trend line, that support line that started even earlier. Then we could define a channel here below which we have consolidated bullish above all the moving averages here, above the 20-day moving average. We pushed up yesterday. This is what I've been saying for a while on this channel. You remember my videos about good projects to buy for November? Well, Polkadot was one of them, and we pumped yesterday, one day after that video, which is really nice. I think we are just now waiting that we gain more power, more traction, more steam, that we continue our way to the upside, because you don't want to address new all-time highs with an overbought RSI necessarily. This is extremely healthy. This is what Polkadot has done all the time. Not a parabolic move to the upside, just steady, nice growth. And I'm extremely bullish on Polkadot. And I said yesterday that in my view, the parabolic move is still coming. Historically, there hasn't really been a major parabolic move, you know. Well, we had a very nice jump up here, but we did never really have these blow-off tops on the Polkadot chart. Can you see that? I mean, yes, here you could argue that was a blow-off top, but compare it to other cryptos, this here is really, looks really stable overall. So highly interesting, and I think we can expect further price moves throughout November and December. Yesterday, someone said, how can November be alt season? Well, I haven't made a video about alt season yet. I think I only made it for the members. I will make a video on the alt season very shortly. Based on that, yeah, we are not in alt season yet. That is still coming, probably in December or January. Alt season is when more than 75% of the top 50 altcoins outperformed Bitcoin in the last 90 days. And that means that if you say, okay, December is altcoin season or January, then that means that in the 90 days before that, the top 50 altcoins have outperformed Bitcoin, which means that would be now. So that is why I am bullish on these altcoins, including Polkadot. There are others as well, if you've seen my previous videos. So yeah, looking good for Polkadot. Hope you liked the video. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.